Today we'll be looking at the Clique Hunter tool. This tool helps you find link opportunities by seeing which websites link to you and your competitors. Find websites linking to 2 or more of your competitors, and it's likely they may be interested in linking to you too. You can find Clique Hunter in the Tools menu in the Compare suite. Enter up to 10 competitors manually or select them from a list of similar websites. The results returned will prioritize websites that link to multiple competitors and have a high trust flow. To find link opportunities, select the website you want to find opportunities for and check the Link Opportunities button. This will only show the domains which link to your competitors and not you. Clicking on the matched links for each result will show you which pages contain a backlink to your competitor. Download the full list of domains, a list of the pages on each website that link, or add each one to your bucket for further analysis.